Hey guys, welcome my YouTube channel. This video is about the Roman numerals in Teofimo Lopez tattoo and its meaning. So what does MCMXVI mean? It's obviously a number that reads as 9016 if you convert numerals to numbers. But why did the boxer decide to choose this exact date? Lopez is an American guy, and in 1916 the United States didn't participate in World War I. Maybe Lopez made this tattoo because of brutality that happened to European countries on battlefields during this year. Also maybe it's because 1916 is kind of a middle of the war, and it means that half of suffering is behind and another part of it still to be done. Honestly, I'm just guessing here because I didn't find any explanations of MCMXVI tattoo made by Teofimo Lopez. But if you have any clue about its meaning, please tell me about it in the comment section below the video. Thanks a lot for watching, for sharing your thoughts in the comment section, and goodbye.